children, animals around us. These are the wild animals. We already read the names. Okay, once again we will do elephant, tiger, lion, zebra, kangaroo, deer, giraffe, gorilla, panther, monkey, very good children, hippopotamus, panda, fox, bear, polar bear, rhinoceros. Okay, so these were some of the wild animals, children. Why they are wild animals? Because they live in the forest. So we call them as wild animals. Let's go to the next slide. Say with me, children, farm animals. Horse, donkey, rooster. Rooster is a kind of hen only, okay? Cat, goat. Repeat after me, children. Duck, cow, chicken, sheep, rabbit, dog, pig. Now these animals, children, they live on a farm, and so they are called farm animals. Now we people keep them in farm because they are very useful to us. For example, we get milk from cows, eggs from hens and ducks, the dogs guards our farm, the cats chase rats, and so we keep these farm animals with us because these are very helpful to us. Okay, let's see some more, children. Okay, repeat again, children. Pet animals or pets. Dog, puppy, turtle, rabbit, parrot, cat, kitten, goldfish. Okay, these are some pets. Pets stay at home with us, and dogs and cats are most common pets. Okay, and here dog and puppy is given. Puppy is the young one of dog, and kitten is the young one of cat. Okay, all these animals we like to keep at home, and because we keep at home with us, these animals are called pets or pet animals. And when we keep them with us, children, we should always feed them properly at the right time and also keep them clean, because they cannot do these things by themselves. They cannot feed them and they cannot clean themselves. So we have to do it for them. Why? Because they are staying with us, and if they are not eating properly or they are not clean, then they might give us some diseases. Okay, and these are not able to take care of themselves, hence we have to take care of them. Okay, now in your notebook, children, where you have already written date and chapter's name, write these animals' name on your notebook. I will give you some time. You can either write the way I have written or write it one after the other. One cat and then below that tiger or lion, bear, one by one. Okay, you can write the Give the numbering and write the names. In total, there are 9 of them. Okay, I will repeat and you write it, okay? C-A-T, cat. In the page you have written the chapter's name, animals around us. There you will write. What you have to do, I will let you know. Write these. C-A-T, cat. Now, we learned about 3 kinds of animals, that is wild animals, farm animals and pet animals. Now, among these, cat comes in wild animal, farm animal or pet animals. You think about it and write beside there the first letter. If it is a wild animal, then in the bracket you write W. If it is a pet animal, write P. If it is a farm animal, then write F in the bracket after cat. Parents will help them make the bracket, okay? Okay, done children? Now write the second one. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. I repeat, L-I-O-N, lion. Now children, think about it. Is it a wild animal? If it is a wild animal, write in the bracket W. If it is a farm animal, write F in the bracket. And if it is a pet animal, write P. Where you have written lion, after that make a bracket and write W, F or P, whatever it is. I repeat, L-I-O-N, lion. Okay, I go for the next one children. Excuse me. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Write number 3, B-E-A-R, bear. After bear, make a bracket and write W if it is a wild animal, P if it is a pet animal, F if it is a farm animal. I repeat, bear, B-E-A-R, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Okay. Number 4. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. You can see the spelling on the screen children. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Now after tiger, put a bracket and write W if it is a wild animal, write F if it is a farm animal and write P if it is a pet animal. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. This is number 4 children. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay, done children? Let's go for the 5th one. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. After dog, again give a bracket and write there W if it is a wild animal. You will write F if it is a farm animal. And you will write P if it is a pet animal. I repeat, this is number 5. D-O-G, dog. I know many of you like to keep dog at home as pets. Okay. Very good, children. This one I know everybody will give the correct answer. Okay, I go for the 6th one. H-E-N, hen. Number 6. H-E-N, hen. After hen, again give a bracket and write there W if it is a wild animal, F if it is a farm animal, and P if it is a pet animal. Yes, ma'am? Okay, how much time is left, ma'am? Okay. 7th one. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Again give a bracket, children. Write W if it is a white animal. Wait. Let me explain. I will let you know later on. Okay? Beta, think over it. Did you see it? Did you see it in wild animal, farm animal, or pet animal? Okay? What do you think you write there? It's okay if it is right or wrong, no problem. Think over it and write it. Okay? Later on I will explain you again. Okay. So you have written fish, children. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. Next one is goat. This is the 8th one. G-O-A-T, goat. If it is a wild animal, write W. Farm animal, then you will write F. And if it is a pet animal, write P. G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And the last one, children, C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. This is the 9th one and last, C-O-W, cow. In the bracket, you will write W if it is a wild animal, F if it is a farm animal, and P if it is a pet animal. Okay? Okay.